Hello, dear environmentality watcher. Today we have an expert, Mrs. Sophia,
Hello.
who's gonna tell us much about the Paris Agreement.
The Paris Agreement is a unity within the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change who took place in Paris, obviously, dealing with the greenhouse gas emission mitigation, adaptation and finance starting in 2020. In fact, it entered into force the 4th November 2016. There's a lot of participants in this convention, 178 parties and 195 signatories. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, and some artificial chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and the surface of the Earth. This process maintains the Earth's temperature at around 33 degrees Celsius warmer than it would otherwise be, allowing life on Earth to exist. On 1st June 2017, United States President Donald Trump announced that the U.S. would cease all participation in the 2015 Paris Agreement on climate change mitigation. Trump stated that the Paris Accord will undermine the U.S. economy and put the U.S. at a permanent disadvantage. During the presidential campaign, Trump had pledged to withdraw from the pact, saying a withdrawal would help American businesses and workers. Trump stated that the withdrawal would be in accordance with his America First policy. Well, this unison has lots of goals like to hold the increase in the global average temperature below 2 degrees Celsius and to limit the temperature increase to 1.5 degrees that will reduce the risk and impacts of climate change. Plus, they want to let the greenhouse gas emission low in a manner that does not threaten food production. Last but not least, Paris Agreement makes finance flows consistent with a pathway towards low greenhouse gas emissions and climate resilient development, and yet they have lots of other goals to achieve.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Sophia.
Thank
it's
you.
a pleasure for us to be in our screens.